everyone, this is part 2 of how to use Microsoft Forms inside Microsoft Teams for teachers. Now part 1 it was about the basics, now part 2 it's about the tips and tricks that you can use to make it easier on you as a teacher. Now for example, here again, as I said, we will let me remove this one. Okay, so for example here I'm in 9B and I want to create a form, and I said if you couldn't find it here you can go to apps and add it. Okay, now the thing is about this video, if when you create a form like this, for example, you can see this here posted in the channel about this tab. When I create testing, for example, okay, and this is ticked, what will happen, I will save and I will create this form. And what is the problem? The problem is it will be on the general channel for me straight away. So it means the minute I'm creating this form, in the same time after I finish, it will be, see 4 questions for example, it will be there. So let's say I finish here, saving, look, see it's saving. I finish this quiz, for example, or week 1 quiz, it's saved. The minute you press on general, you will find it here. And we don't have even a button to send it, it's there already. So the student will see it now straight away. They will click on it and they will, do it. Now what if I want to create a test or a quiz, but I don't want to submit it now? So let's say I'm free on Tuesday and I want to do a test or quiz for 4 classes, and I want to put it for students on Thursday after 2 days. See, this is the problem. So what we will do, I will tell you what to do. Let me remove this, and this will be interesting fact. Okay, and let me go here and we can edit it, but better than that, we can, when we create the form, untick this box. So it will not post it on the channel. So for example here, we are in week 3 I think. Okay, for example quiz, yeah, week 3 quiz, I'm saving it and I didn't tick this one. So what will happen, yeah, no problem, you will act normally and I will add, let's say 3 questions here, 1, that's all multiple choice, or 4 questions multiple choice. Remember this is week 3, okay, multiple choice questions, and it's saving, finish. When I go to channel, it will not be there. Look, okay, where is it? It's there. Look, it's here. Forever? Yes, forever. And then what we will do, you can remove it if you want, but you can add here one more, week 4 quiz, and then don't forget to untick this. Okay, it's ticked by default. Now when I create it, see, it will be like a tab. So I will add, let's say, text this time. So all text to recognize them. Okay, and it's saving, and after it's saved, see, saved. When I click on channel, it's not there. Where is it? It's here. It says one more. And let me go very fast and create another one, which is week 5. So you can create as much quizzes. Oh, see, I forgot to untick it. See, I forgot. So when I go to general here, it will be there. Look, see the honest mistake? What's Steam? Okay, see the honest mistake here? So I'll delete it. See, I forgot. So it happens sometimes. So here I'll go quiz 5, and then I have to go and remove it and so on. See the hassle I have to go through. So I create it again, see? But anyway, week 5, I need to do this. And then you will untick this, and then you will save it. So in this case, what I'm saying is it will add up until here, the one that you want. Okay, let me, the rating, all ratings. So this is the, okay, all rating, saved. When I go to, now it's saved. When I go to general, it's not there. Where is it? It's there. And you will have week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7, all in this list. I will click on whatever you want. It's there. You can see the responses. It's there as evidence. You can do many things with it actually. Now about the preview, when you click on the preview, I forgot to show you how on mobile it shows. It's actually cool. It's nice. So for example, here week 3, for example, here the multiple choice question. Okay, you can change the preview to a mobile and see how it will look like, and on a computer how it will look like. Now one thing about the preview as well, you can change the theme. See the theme? It's so nice. You can change it. Okay, so the background, you can change it. You can change it to something related to math or classroom, or even a color, solid color, or any theme you want. Especially if you are primary, I think this one, chemistry, let's say, okay, will be, I think it's useful, or it will be more fun, you know, like art, for example. Maybe they can use this background. I think it's nice. Okay, this is the theme. And of course, now, yeah, I remember, I want to use 9b here. I want to use this week 3 quiz. Okay, let me show you something. Forms, and watch this. An existent one, look, it's there. But it's there if you want to use it again, multi-use, if you want to use it again. But what if I want to use it in a different class? I know it's like it's an extra one step, but it's very easy. Look, you will go to the week or to the quiz that you want. Let's say week 3, and you go to share, and you have a link here. So you will copy this link. See, the link already, like you to paste, ready for you to paste, and then you go to which channel you want. So it's 9b, I want to go to 9a, and press on the general and new conversation and paste. So when I look, see, it's there, week 3 quiz, ready for 9a. Okay, now where you want to, or when you want to do it, when, oops, see, I clicked on it, so they will click on it and it will open. Okay, so when do you want to do it? The minute or the time that you want them to do it. So when I go to 9b, it's not there. They cannot see it. Only you can see it here. Now I decided today, I did this on Tuesday. Today is Thursday. I want to give it to them now. So what I will do, I will click on it. Okay, and it's ready, but they cannot see it. I will click on share, copy the link, and go to the general for 9b, new conversation, paste it, and now they can see it. And go to 9a, look, I'm going to 9a, and new conversation, paste it, and send it. And now they can see it. Right? Now they can see it. So you can save many quizzes, maybe 10 quizzes, and every week you will copy and paste the link for them, and they will see it when you decide when they will see it. Not the first minute you are doing the form, you will submit it and it's there. No, untick this. Look, this is the key. Untick this, and you will be fine. You will create, copy and paste the link, and then at that time they will do it, not the minute you create the form. You know why? Because maybe I will create a form, then after that I will change my mind about one of the questions. So creating a quiz and then submit it to the students and wait, or maybe one of the students says something wrong with this question, say blah blah blah. No, so I can save it, revise it later, and post it maybe after 10 days. It's there already. See, it's there. I have it here. I have it here. So maybe you can name it week 4, week 5, according to the week numbers, or according to your plan. Okay, according to a date, according to every Thursday, and you can put a reminder. Yeah. So this is the shortcut of how you can do it. Now something else as well. It's useful. Look. So when I click on, let's say, week 4. I explain how the theme, the preview, the share. Now sharing actually is interesting. Look, you can actually download it as a QR code, so they can scan it on their mobile, scan this on their mobile, a QR code reader, and directly it will guide them, or it will direct them to do the survey. They will do it. or so to do the quiz from their mobile, so no excuse. So either a link or QR code, or here if you have like a web page, so you can write the code, or an email. Now the email, if you want to email the link to someone, now there's a better way to do the email. Look carefully, look, more setting, and watch this, send email, okay, and here get email notification of each response. So I hope this part 2 is useful. The idea is you can make maybe 10 quizzes for 10 weeks ahead if you are free for 1 or 2 hours, and then every week all you have to do just copy and paste the link for the students and they will do it, and that's it. You don't need to do the form or the quiz just 5 minutes before submitting it to them. And in part 1 I said use the existing one, but unfortunately I couldn't use from a different channel. In the same channel, yes, I can use, because I created before, I can use existence from the same channel. But if I went to another channel, okay, for some reason they will not look. When I press on forms, I press on, this is 9A for example, existing, I will see someone else, another teacher's quizzes, not mine, for some reason. If I find a solution for that, inshallah I will do part 3. Hope this part is useful for you. Good luck everyone. Thank you and goodbye.